In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an aesthetic Pomodoro timer to Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional timer sitting right inside your workspace, ready to help you focus without ever leaving your notes or task lists. There are two simple ways to do this. The first uses an external widget, and the second uses a ready-made Notion template. Let's start with the widget route, because it's quick and flexible. Open your browser and find a Pomodoro timer widget on a site like aption.co or any service that offers embeddable timers. Look for a design that matches your vibe, something minimal, colorful, or cozy. Many people like options inspired by Zen Focus or Study with Me. Once you've found the one you want, copy the URL provided for the widget. That link is the key that lets Notion pull in the timer. Now switch over to your Notion page. Click into an empty spot and paste the URL. Notion will show a small pop-up. Select Create Embed. Your timer will load right on the page. From here, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners until it fits your layout. Make it large enough to read at a glance, or keep it compact if you're working in a multi-column setup. Position it where you naturally look during work sessions, like near your daily tasks or top-of-page dashboard, so it becomes part of your routine. If you prefer an all-in-one solution with structure built in, use a Notion template. Head to the Notion marketplace and browse for aesthetic Pomodoro templates. A couple of popular examples include the Pomodoro Timer and Tracker template by GridFT and the Pomodoro Timer X Lo-Fi Girl template. Click a template that catches your eye to open its preview page. When you're ready, click Duplicate to add it to your own workspace. Once it lands in your Notion, customize it to fit how you work. Add your tasks so you can pair each session with specific to-dos, and adjust any settings the template offers to match your preferred intervals and breaks. Templates often include trackers or summaries alongside the timer, which makes it easy to build consistency and see your progress without extra setup. That's it. Whether you embed a widget or duplicate a template, you'll end up with a timer that looks great and keeps you on track. Choose the approach that fits your style, the quick embed for maximum flexibility, or the template for a guided, ready-to-use system. Enjoy your focused sessions, and make your Notion workspace both beautiful and productive.